Before you attend to an interview, there are several things that you need to learn. First of all, before you go, you have to research about the company. You need to prepare a little bit in order to know some information about the positions they offer, where they are located, their capacity, their salaries, and the facilities. You have to make a list of the questions that you think your interviewer will ask you, and prepare a couple of copies of your resume and your papers, your degrees from school, and some recommendation letters, and you need to prepare your clothes. You cannot dress too casual. You shouldn't have any brands or marks on your clothes, and you have to address properly, better formal than informal. You have to be punctual and prepared. You have to arrive to your location early. You have to find out the exact location of the office. So you have to take some time to get there. Don't get there too early. 15 minutes will be okay. Be polite to everyone you meet at the company. You never know who's gonna open the door for you or who's gonna greet you at the front desk. So make no exceptions. Greet your interviewer with confidence. Provide a firm handshake. Make good eye contact and give a friendly smile. Let the interviewer know that you are pleased to have this opportunity for the interview. Also, let them know that you are the right person for this position. And please wait to be seated. Don't stress. Let the interviewer know that you are interested in the position and that you are the right person for it. Don't chew gum or smoke, or don't smell like smoke. And please turn your cell phone off during the interview, even before you enter the room. Don't interrupt the interviewer. Give him or her time to speak and the space for you to answer, even if you are very excited. Don't stare at the interviewer down. It doesn't matter if they have nice shoes or they have a nice dress. Please, try to make eye contact. Sit straight. Make eye contact. If there is more than one interviewer, give them enough eye contact to all of them. Don't focus only on one person, unless the person is speaking. Lean a little bit forward, but respect the personal space. And maintain your arms relaxed. Don't rub the back of your neck. Don't touch or scratch your nose. It might sound that you are lying. Don't slouch back because it looks like you're uninterested. Don't cross your arms because it shows that you are a closed person. Don't play with your hands or your hair because that might interrupt the interviewer. Don't shake your legs. And don't look insistently around for things. It's none of your business which things they have at the office. Establish a space of minimum 20 centimeters between you and the interviewer. Don't get too close. Limit your application of perfumes or colognes. Imagine this person is allergic and gets a headache. Align your position to the one of the interviewer. Show you are in the conversation by keeping an interested expression. It is always good to nod at certain times. Sit down when invited to. Thank you so much.